manage, multiply, and maximize your money. With successful Sanmi at Money Magnet Show. Money Magnet Show.
It's Money Magnet Show with Successful Sanmi.
On High Impact Radio, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Fridays, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. with Successful Sanmi.
Make, manage, multiply, and maximize your money. With successful Sanmi at Money Magnet Show. Money Magnet Show.
It's Money Magnet Show with Successful Sanmi.
Okay, beautiful morning to you wherever you are listening to me from. And this is the Money Magnet Show. We are on High Impact 102.1 FM. And this is your urban lifestyle station. The Money Magnet Show is where we talk about how to make money, manage it, multiply, and how to maximize it. So basically, what we do is we try to look at opportunities that you can take advantage of. But on Fridays, we normally consider legal frameworks, okay? So what are the legal advantages that are available to individuals? That's what we do on Fridays, basically. And today, I'm going to be talking about pro bono. Pro bono is a Latin phrase meaning something that is for free, and a number of people want to access justice and want to take advantage of the legal system or the legal space in Nigeria, but they don't have the money. So there are some bodies that's what they do. They help you to secure justice. They help you with free legal services. And you can always reach out to them whenever you need them. And those are the ones I'll be discussing today. Okay? Those are the ones I'll be discussing today. So I am going to look at a number of them the moment I'm back from this break. So let me go on a short break. When I'm back, I'll look at a number of them. Okay? Stick around, don't go away.
Make, manage, multiply, and maximize your money. With successful Sanmi at Money Magnet Show. Money Magnet Show.
It's Money Magnet Show with Successful Sanmi.
On High Impact Radio, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Fridays, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. with Successful Sanmi.
Put a touch of class and finesse on your brand by advertising with us at High Impact 1021 FM. For more information,
call 0706 393 5694, 0915 958 1881, or 0902 745 3931.
Follow us on our social media platforms at High Impact 1021 FM. Our deals are hotter than the weather itself.
Our deals are hotter than the weather itself.
Make, manage, multiply, and maximize your money. With successful Sanmi at Money Magnet Show. Money Magnet Show.
It's Money Magnet Show with Successful Sanmi.
12 hours of intense worship, 12 anointed artists, one stage. Are you ready? High Impact Praise Blast 2025 is coming. Get ready for a night of fire where praise, worship, miracles, and joy abound. It is High Praise Reloaded. Date Friday, December 26th, 2025. Time 6 p.m. Venue Impact Planet Amusement Park Resort and Hotel, Kilometer 12, Lagos Ibadan Expressway, Iba4. Ministry DJ Ernestine, Adeyinka Alasheyori, BJ Sax, Shenwele Jesu, Lilian Neji, RCCG Praise Team, the City Choir, Laulu Benjo, Bidemi Olaoba, Sumisola Agbebi, Toluwani Sings, Chinyere Utoma. For more inquiries, please call 0814-229-9509 or 0706-393-5694. Entry is absolutely free. High Praise Reloaded. It is time to praise loud, worship deep, and live blessed.
Make, manage, multiply, and maximize your money. With successful Sanmi at Money Magnet Show. Money Magnet Show.
It's Money Magnet Show with Successful Sanmi.
Okay, so if you need a legal service and you are considering and you don't have money, you really need a legal service, it's so important to you, but you don't have money, which bodies or which organizations can you contact so that you can have free legal services? We call them pro bono services. The first one I have on the list is Lagos Public Interest Law Partnership. That body, it's a public interest law partnership. It offers pro bono via a clear house matching indigent with marginalized persons, small business owner, NGOs to lawyer for civil, criminal, and administrative matters, and it is absolutely for free. Okay, so these are stuffs that you can do that, I mean, when you need a lawyer and you apply here, they can give you a lawyer free of charge on different matters. The next one on the list is Legal Defense and Assistance Project, LEDAP. They promote human rights, provide representation to poor and vulnerable victims, particularly in criminal justice and human rights violations. So if somebody has if maybe it's your relative or somebody you know in your community, your church, your mosque, your area, your local government, and they need a lawyer and you guys cannot afford one, these are places where you can get their services for free. Or where you see an Okada rider, a keke napep person being violated by police or being harassed by maybe their own union or something, then these are platforms that you can help them get a lawyer for free. So we have LD and LEDAP. The next one is Hope Behind Bars. So if somebody is inside prison, and the prison, is they work with indigent pretrial detainees, legal aid, advocacy, prison decongestion. So this group are particularly about people that are being imprisoned. So you get them on board. When you get them on board, you tell them the situation of the person you are trying to help, then they can now swing into action for free. So this is good. The next one is Citizen Gavel. Okay, Citizen Gavel uses technology, civil tech, to accelerate justice, link person who cannot afford lawyers to pro bono lawyer, undue human right violation, police brutality, and etc. So this body, where you see, police taking advantage of people, they tends to help, you or help anybody and they will do the work for you absolutely free. There are some families that so let me give you the story of a woman. Is girl, the daughter of the woman, has just finished NYC. I mean, that's the only girl that she has, and the girl has one boy. They were going out together, and then the woman knows this boy. Eventually, the girl did not come home for like 2 days, and the woman was trying to trace where this girl went to, and then they traced it to this boy. So they discovered that by the time they got there, the girl was dead. They found pieces of her hair and some of her items, body items, in the guy's house. They took the matter to one police station. The matter did not see the light of the day. The woman had to go to another higher police station, and the matter went on like that. The matter was trying to die down, and basically because the woman was just alone, she does not have anybody. So when you know people like that, or you see situation like that, you can introduce them to bodies like this that can take up their matter and help them out. The next one is Edford Foundation, founded by Oluyemi Adetiba Orija. It provides free legal services, especially for prisoners awaiting trials. So awaiting trials, underage offender, child right issues. So anybody that is below 18 or below 16 should not be in the adult prison, like maximum prison, Kirikiri, and all of that. But you see that happens sometimes in Nigeria, and so that's what this organization is all about. I don't know whether you remember during the campaign period, there was one of the parties that was campaigning, and a particular boy came out, stood in front of the convoy of one of the aspirants. So the aspirant gifted the boy some money, and his picture was all over the place, the picture of the boy. So the community chiefs were set to gang up together to make sure that the boy went to prison, because they just frame him up, and the boy was underage. So it was in that prison that Hope Behind Bars got to know about the matters when they went on prison, and then they were able to arrange for the release of the boy. About 10 million was raised for the family. The family was relocated, and the mother was given something good to do and all that. So you can help a lot of people. You can touch somebody's life. You can change somebody's life by just making sure that they know that these opportunities are there. Okay, the next one is Wigwe and Partners. Wigwe and Partners has a pro bono program, particularly for child protection, domestic violence cases involving children where abuse is involved. So when you have children abuse, then you can talk about You can call this body. They are specialists when it comes to that, and they will offer pro bono services. The next one is Green Reed Foundation. This one, they support SMS. So you're a small business owner, you need a legal service, your intellectual property has been stolen, what you need a lawyer for is heavy, and you're a small business owner. These people will give you their services for free. I'm going to go on a short break. When I'm back, I have more for you, and we'll talk about them when we are back from this break. Stick around, don't go away.
Make, manage, multiply, and maximize your money.
Yeah, yeah.
With successful Sanmi at Money Magnet Show. Money Magnet Show.
It's Money Magnet Show with Successful Summy.
Put a touch of class and finesse on your brand by advertising with us at High Impact 1021 FM.
For more information, call 0706 393 5694, 0915 958 1881, or 0902 745 3931.
Follow us on our social media platforms at High Impact 1021 FM. Our deals are hotter than the weather itself.
Our deals are hotter than the weather itself.
Make, manage, multiply, and maximize your money.
Yeah, yeah.
With successful Sanmi at Money Magnet Show. Money Magnet Show.
It's Money Magnet Show with Successful Summy.
On High Impact Radio, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Fridays, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. with Successful Summy.
Yeah. Okay, Pastor Gbenga Lawansin, thank you so much for joining the show on Instagram. Prince Galpo, okay, thank you for joining the program. Okay, so as I was saying, so you can access free legal services from different organization depending on what you are looking at doing. Having said that, another place that I believe you'll be able to get a legal service pro bono is Allied Legal Advisory Project. So Allied Legal Advisory Project gives free legal services on community affected by conflict and displacement. Pro bono legal aid. Your community has been affected, human rights advocacy, capacity building. So like Oworo, people that were affected in Oworo, some of them might not be able to afford a lawyer, and they feel they need to seek a legal redress. These people can help you find out what exactly is wrong with the government. They can help you look into what exactly is happening. Some days ago, people living at some part of Oworo, their properties were demolished, and there was a lot of hula baloo and brouhaha that took place. And out of all this brouhaha atmosphere that was created, some people cannot really think straight. That's why you need this kind of organization. They can help you while you are still weeping and crying, you are grieving. You can engage them. They will help you look at what exactly have you done wrong. Do you have any right here? Are you entitled to any money from the government? When they pull down your house, they will help you get to the root of it. while you are doing your crime. It's not good to be doing crime and be going from office to office. Nobody is responding to you, and then you don't even know what to do. Some people don't even know what to do till we speak like this. Some people don't know what to do. So the number of indigent people, I didn't say indigents, indigent meaning that people that cannot afford legal services, and they really need legal service because that's what can help them in what they have found themselves. And that's why I read out this list. The next one is Legal Aid Council. Legal Aid Council is one of the foremost bodies that is out there helping people on pro bono services, for free legal services. Okay. Legal Aid Council is absolutely for free. Their numbers and details, I have included them online. If you go to Nigeria Law Room and you follow me, you will be able to see the list of these organizations where you can get legal services for free. They are out there. So I have placed it there. You can just check it out. Legal Aid Council, they handle all manners of matters for you, and Legal Aid Council has been around for a long time. Apart from that, you also have the Human Rights Council, right? The Human Rights Council, the Human Rights Commission, the Human Rights Commission is basically for human rights, set up by the government. And the reason why they are set up is to help you to get free legal services where your rights as a Nigerian has been violated. So if you look at Nigeria Law Room, that's a WhatsApp group, I listed all your rights there: right to life, right to free hearing, right to fair hearing, right to freedom of movement, right to religion, right to privacy. You have right to privacy. If you are going on the road, a policeman should not stop you, collect your phone, and tell you to open your phone. If he does that, you don't need to argue with him. All you need to do is get an evidence, and you will get damages. And if he beats you, all you need is an evidence. You don't need to go out and be fighting. Once you bring the evidence, the policeman can go to jail for up to 25 years for torturing you. So there are many of these things that are available, and many people don't know, and many people suffer in silence, and because they don't know these things exist. And that's the essence of what we're doing. So I've given you all this list, and I've also made them available on that platform. I want you to open the phone line. I'm going to open the phone line rather, so that you can call in if you have questions for me. If you are on WhatsApp, you can send me a WhatsApp message right now in the studio: 0907 224 5018. And the next one is, if you want to call me, you can also call me on that number: 0907 224 5018. So send me a WhatsApp message or give me a call on that number, and then you can drop your question in form of a comment on the Instagram page if you are following me on Instagram. So having said that, I want to go on a short break, but before I go on a short break, I think, let me see if I have a question here. Let me see if I have questions here. Okay, before I go on a short break, the number again is 0907 224 5018. Okay, 0907 224 5018. You can call me or send me a WhatsApp message. And if you feel that the number is 0907 224 5018, that's the number with which you can call me in the studio right now. And if you feel that you want to send me an Instagram message, you can send it to the comment section of the Instagram where we are live now. And you can equally send me a WhatsApp on the same number. Now, Pastor Gwingalawansi, I need to quickly say that that number is the studio line. Okay, is the High Impact studio line. So if you want to reach out to me on that phone, you can reach out to me now that I'm on the show. Sure, you get it. You can reach out to me now that I'm on the show, and then we'll be able to answer the questions. So I'm going to go on a short break. When I'm back, I will begin to answer the questions that I have before we call it a wrap. Thank you. Let me go on a short break. I'll be back. Don't go
Make, manage, multiply, and maximize your money.
Yeah, yeah.
With successful Sanmi at Money Magnet Show. Money Magnet Show.
It's Money Magnet Show with Successful Summy.
Put a touch of class and finesse on your brand by advertising with us at High Impact 1021 FM.
For more information, call 0706 393 5694, 0915 958 1881, or 0902 745 3931.
Follow us on our social media platforms at High Impact 1021 FM. Our deals are hotter than the weather itself.
Our deals are hotter than the weather itself.
Hello, Male. How you doing now?
I did, my pikin.
Male, wait. She make I call you back. You sure say your credit go reach this guy talk?
Don't worry yourself. Now MTN better gist I dey use.
Who no like better thing? Just go buy new MTN SIM so MTN go dash you 2,100 naira airtime sharply, and on top that one, every call where you make, whether na 3 minutes for this call or na 1 minute on top another call, e go dey join dey go. And once you gather reach 6 minutes, MTN go sama you 3 minutes extra. Make you for continue that better gist. Or ya dial *123 *2 *1 hash to join MTN better gist today. Terms and conditions dey sha o.
Great pictures on Instagram. Tweet at us on Twitter. Let's see your dance on TikTok. Tag us at High Impact 1021 FM, your urban lifestyle station.
Make, manage, multiply, and maximize your money.
Yeah, yeah.
With successful Sanmi at Money Magnet Show. Money Magnet Show.
It's Money Magnet Show with Successful Summy.
Okay, welcome back, the Money Magnet Show. So we've been talking about how to access free legal services in Nigeria, and I have given you a list of organizations that makes that available. If you want to get the numbers, the phone numbers of those bodies, I will suggest that you go to Naija Law Room. There is a particular slide I made on your fundamental human rights. Inside that slide, I stated all the rights that you have as a Nigerian. Those rights are in Chapter 4, the 1999 Nigerian Constitution. And, you know, after those rights, I listed the organization that can help you enforce them. However, maybe today I will post something on Naija Law Room and it's going to be the list of these organizations with their contacts, with their phone numbers, where you can have access to free legal services or pro bono services. It's still the same thing we are saying. Pro bono is a Latin phrase meaning, something for free. So basically, what you see is that these bodies are out there. Very few people know about it. This week, I was in a meeting with some guys from outside Nigeria, and their focus basically was on pro bono. That is how people can access legal services for free. There are some people in detention in Kirikiri, in Ikoyi prison, that are suffering, and what they've been accused of, they didn't really do it. They've not gone for trial. They've not been taken to any court. They just took them from police station straight to the prison. If you have people like that, people like that in your area, in your church, in your mosque, you could just give them some of these contacts I've shared with you this morning, and then they will need to, once they contact them, those ones will take it up and help them out. Your name and where you're calling us from? Okay, we lost that call, so you can call that number back. We lost that call. 0907 224 5018. I take that again. 0907 224 5018. Okay, so I need to begin to tidy up the show little by little. So basically, that's what we've treated this morning. And on that note, I will, let me still give one more opportunity. 0907 224 5018. That's the phone number you can call to be part of this show this morning, and you can also send me a WhatsApp message on that same number, and you can drop a comment. Okay. Oyenubi, thank you for coming. Tosin Temola Olua Tosin, thank you for coming as well, and a couple of other people. Let me see. Yeah. So you can make sure that you help somebody that needs this information daily. Okay. I haven't said all of that. I am going to go on a break, and when I'm back, we'll come to tidy up the show. Stick around and go away.
Manage, multiply, and maximize your money.
Yeah.
With successful Sanmi at Money Magnet Show. Money Magnet Show.
It's Money Magnet Show with Successful Sanmi.
It's been raining mediocre. Repetition. Boring. But this frequency much.
Make, manage, multiply, and maximize your money.
Yeah.
With successful Sanmi at Money Magnet Show. Money Magnet Show.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Fridays, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. with Successful Sanmi.
Okay, 0907 224 5018. We lost that call again. I don't know why is the call dropping. 0907 224 5018. Let's see if we can take that call.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Am I on to the show?
Yeah, you are on to the show.
Is there a number we can contact you with after this program? But because you said this one is for the program.
Yeah, that's why I said, okay, why don't you just ask your question?
But the issue is that I had a police case. I was in the shop, my shop, I'm selling ethanol.
Okay.
Ethanol used for
Okay, so
production of hand
what you're going to do
sanitizer.
is,
The police came.
okay, go ahead.
They came to my shop one morning. It was last month. They said they had information I'm into production of drink, hot drink. I said, no, I'm not doing anything of such. That's the whole shop. They turned the shop upside down. And they even followed me to my home, to my house to go and search the whole house. At the end of the day, they found nothing. But still, they insisted I must pay a huge amount of money.
Okay,
The
so
money they are demanding from me. That money it was meant for my children's school fees. I cried out all my heart. I begged them and they found nothing. I don't know if maybe it was a setup. They insisted I must pay that money or they take me to prison. For
okay,
crime I did not commit.
okay, okay. Okay, so good. So what I'm going to advise you to do is send me a WhatsApp message on 0811 4545706. I'll give you the number of, there's a pro bono lawyer that can help you with this. And also, I'll link you with public interest lawyer. There are over 30 lawyers. They can help you look, take up the matter against this
So please call
brutality.
the number for me again. The number is said I should call.
0811
081
0811 45
45
45
4545
706. So send me a WhatsApp message on that number. So I will give you number of number one, PILP is a body that is set up for that purpose, and yeah, can you hear me?
Hello, sir. Please, the number is 081
0811 4545
4545
706.
706.
So I'll give you the number of PILP. Is a public interest lawyering NGO that is formed by the former Attorney General of Lagos State. And I will also give you the contact of a lawyer that wants to take up a pro bono case for this month, only for this month, before this month ends. After this month, that other lawyer is not picking up. Then I'll give you the number of somebody from human rights. I'll give you the number of somebody from human rights. Who can? If I give you human rights, okay, I'll still give you the number of human rights. Then you pick it up from there. Okay. So I believe that those three numbers, they'll be able to help you out with the matter. Sorry about what you are going through. Okay, so I'm sure we're able to help somebody this morning. Then I have a question. So this person is saying, good morning, sir. I have a totally different question from the topic this morning. It's about finance. I want to know how and where I can invest 500k into my my family eat every day. I'm not getting that clearly. Okay, so basically what I can get from that is the person is trying to find out how can I invest 500k. There are so many ways you can invest 500k, right? You can decide to invest in the stock market. You can decide to invest in mutual fund. You can decide to invest in business. it all depends on what you want to get as return, and that's what will determine where you are investing. So, but when it comes to investing 500k, there's so many places that you can invest it, but we need to get first, what's your investment objective? Do you just want to invest and get a return, or do you want to start a business? Or so when we get that, we can now particularly say that if you want this kind of outcome, these are the kind of investment you can do with 500k. So, but because I don't have that, I would just say invest in stocks, invest in share, invest in mutual fund. You can start some small businesses too with about 500k. Okay, I haven't said all of that. I have to go right now, and my time is gone. Till I come your way next week, Monday. Successful Sum is my name, and I'm saying remain financially intelligent.
Make, manage, multiply, and maximize your money. Yeah.